Welcome to a smart, all-in-one teacher dashboard designed to streamline your entire school day. Effortlessly manage your classroom by marking attendance, tracking timetables, updating class diaries, and assigning homework from a single screen. Stay seamlessly connected with your school ecosystem through instant announcements, PTM session scheduling, digital leave management, and online exams. Empower your teaching with a data-driven student directory built to track every aspect of academic growth and classroom performance. This comprehensive hub gives you instant access to detailed student profiles, like roll number and blood group details, while placing your core grading tools front and center. Teachers can seamlessly record exam marks, assess behavioral and technical skills, generate final results, and compile official reports all in one place. Combined with an interactive class diary to log daily progress, the system features instant action shortcuts to call parents or send direct WhatsApp updates right from the dashboard. It's the ultimate workspace to analyze student progress, manage grading workflows, and maintain immediate, transparent communication with families. Streamline your classroom tracking with a smart attendance system that lets you mark daily presence, maintain individual student records, and view complete attendance histories instantly. This data syncs effortlessly with your grading tools, giving you a unified view of exam marks, skills, final results, and official reports. Combined with an interactive class diary, you can monitor both performance and presence, with built-in shortcuts to call or WhatsApp parents directly from the dashboard if a student needs attention. Timetable: view daily classes and manage your weekly teaching schedule effortlessly in one clean layout. School calendar: stay updated with holidays, exams, and school events in a single, organized view. Homework: easily assign, track, and manage daily homework and projects. Teachers can upload study materials or reference links, set clear submission deadlines, and monitor student completion status all in one place. Digital class diary: log daily classroom activities, topics covered, and student behavior notes in real time. It serves as a digital logbook for teachers to record progress and instantly share daily updates with parents. Announcements: broadcast important notices, school updates, and urgent alerts instantly to parents and students, ensuring everyone stays informed through a unified digital notice board. PTM: schedule meetings, share time slots, and log parent feedback effortlessly in one place. Online exam: create and conduct quizzes or exams digitally. Teachers can set multiple choice or subjective questions, schedule test timings, automate grading for instant results, and track student performance effortlessly. Teacher can access complete profile, track monthly attendance records, view detailed salary slips, and stay updated with real-time school notifications all in one personalized portal.